Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. What I'm hoping is your favorite doodle channel here on YouTube. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel. Today I'm going to show you folks how to draw Scooby-Doo. So this was a request from an awesome subscriber. I love when you guys request things. Keep it coming, request suggestions. I always love reading what you guys would like to see drawn. Alright, so I'm going to start drawing Scooby-Doo by first working on those eyes. So we got 1, 2. And now we're going to have a circle at the bottom of both of those. And then a circle on the inside of those circles. And then this middle circle can be colored in black. And we can just leave that little white, tiny little white circle. Just like the little highlight in his eye. Well, both eyes. Okay. Now, on top of those eyes, he's got thick eyebrows. Like that. So you can color those in dark too if you like. And if you want to wait until the end to color, that's fine too. But I'm just going to put a little bit of dark on him now. Okay. So next, I'm going to give him his great big nose. So it's like an upside down triangle, but the edges are all soft and rounded. And then in that nose, we're going to do an oval. And then we can color in everything all dark except for that oval, because that oval is like where the light is hitting on Scooby's nose. So it's just like a bit of reflection, just a little shiny bit of light on his nose. Okay, so now we are going to do a little line like this, a little bit of a silly line, and then we're going to come on down from that middle point there in his nose and come on up and then go in like that, and then we'll go in again and do a little silly shape, and then we're coming out this way like that, and then joining up those two lines. And so we're going to give 1, 2, 3 little dots on each one of these little, what's that part called? Upper lip, maybe? And then a little line here for the bottom of his mouth. We can do a little line in here and then color it in, have his mouth open a little bit. And now he needs a chin. So it's going to be a little line like that. And he has like 2 little bits of scruff coming off of that chin. And I'll do one more little line like that. Now, I'm going to do a line right here. And a line up top here, top of those eyebrows. And now we're going to start those ears. So a line like this, and we're going to curve that way. And then come on down. Now we're going to do a line like that. And then one more line, and then we can come on down. So now Scooby needs another ear. So we did kind of a curvy line there. And then we're coming on back. And we gotta do the inside of his ear, so we gave him another little line there. And then last little line to finish off that ear. Okay. So now we gotta thicken up that neck. So we need one more line here for the neck. So I'll come on down from that little upper lip area. Now he needs his collar. So we're gonna do like a rounded line here. It's not straight across, it's rounded. And make that a little bit thick, like that. And then follow that rounded shape we just did. Okay. So he needs a little metal circle here, not quite a full circle, but this is like the little like metal ring that his name tag is attached to. And now his name tag is a diamond shape. So we can do a diamond. And then there's like a little yellow diamond that outlines that diamond. So we just made another little tiny diamond in that name tag. And now, of course, his name tag says SD for Scooby-Doo. Okay, so now let's work on the back. So we got his shoulder here, and then we're coming on down his back, and now he's got his great big back leg. Kind of like a triangle-ish shape. And now I'm going to give him some toes on his bottom paw here. So 1, 2, 3 little toes on that bottom paw. And now his front leg. So we're going to come down like that, like a little shoulder shape. And then come on down. And now he's got a little back claw right there on his paw, so that's like above his front actual paw. I think it's called a dew claw. Okay, so then after that we're going to come on down and then do 1, 2, 3 little paw shapes, and then come on back up. And now he's kind of got his chest a little bit puffed out, so maybe he's really proud of all the mysteries he's been solving lately. Who knows? And now after that big puffed up chest, we're going to do his other little shoulder. It's coming on down. His other paw, his other front paw. So we're going to try to kind of match it up. So we got that other little dew claw there, and then we're coming down, and we've got 1, 2, 3 paws, 3 paws, 3 little toes on that paw. All right, so now his other back leg. So I did a little line here, so you can see that that little knee is in behind that front arm here, and then it's coming out, and then we're curving down. Then we're going to do flat straight line there, and do his little paw, little foot. Now he needs a tail. So he's got a long tail. Okay, and oh, I didn't finish off this shoulder up here. Okay, and he also has some spots. So he's got a big spot on his back like that, and he's got some on his shoulder here, and one on this shoulder. And I think we're almost ready to start coloring. All right, so before I start adding color, I'm going to outline Scooby-Doo all in black, and then I'm going to color them in and then add a background color. Alright, so we are done our picture of Scooby-Doo. So folks, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, 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 really good day. And I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodles. Alright everybody, bye!